Welcome to MHS with the weather. Good Wednesday morning. It is Wednesday, the 6th of February. It is the anniversary of the blizzard of '78, and fitting enough, we have some snow in our future. Current temperature in Millis is 26.8 degrees. Dew point is at 25. Barometer is at 29.99 inches. It's on the rise this morning. This morning's background is a snowy Gillette Stadium. Most towns in our area picked up a dusting to an inch of snow last night. Taking a look at temperatures across the nation. Boston, we are at 26. Washington, D.C. is at 37. The warm spot, as always, is Miami. This morning, they are at 68 degrees. The cold spot this morning is Chicago at 12 degrees. Taking a look at temperatures closer into Boston. Boston's right around 26. Towards the Cape and the Islands, they are in the mid to upper 30s this morning. And then working your way back towards the Berkshires, they are in the mid 20s this morning. And then Vermont, they are mainly in the lower to mid 20s this morning. Taking a look at the current surface analysis, just a few snow showers off to the west. Right now they're in western New York. Can't rule out a spot flurry affecting us today and into tomorrow, but not really too concerned because we have a bigger snow event in the future. Taking a look at the surface analysis close in our area. As I mentioned, that snow is out towards western New York, mix of sun and clouds right now for our area. The sun and clouds will be with us throughout the day, so expect a mix of sun and clouds for today. A few snow showers also off the Cape and the Islands this morning. Taking a look at the storm for Friday. Now, this is a graphic that I showed yesterday. I'm still projecting the same path, going right over Cape Hatteras, going off the coast, and then giving us a pretty good size snow. Now, this is the timeline. It starts Friday at around 12 p.m. So unfortunately for all the kids in school, including myself, I don't think school is going to get canceled. Just timing, as in life, timing is everything. This comes on Friday afternoon, so school probably won't get canceled. It begins at some light snow at around 12 p.m. That low pressure system is still off the Virginia Capes at this point. Now, as you go in towards Friday at 8 p.m., that's when the moderate snow begins from about Worcester on south. Still light snow as you go north of Worcester into portions of New York, Vermont, New Hampshire. It's still light at this point. But as you go towards Friday at 10 p.m., to Saturday at 12 p.m., that's when that heavy snow is in our area. The entire area of Massachusetts is in that heavy snow band, including all over Rhode Island as well. The most of Connecticut is in that heavy snow as well, and parts of Long Island will be in that heavy snow as well. But there's still moderate snow off to the north and the west, so pretty much the entire Northeast is going to get some snow out of this. And then by Saturday at around 8 p.m., the light snow pretty much comes to an end. Can't rule out seeing flurries even until Sunday morning, but the most of the snow is out of here by about Saturday at 8 p.m. Now, this is what I'm expecting so far. Now, this can change. It's still over 70 hours away, so I may change the snow map later on. But I'm thinking a general 8 to 12 inches across the entire state of Massachusetts, with the exception of portions of the Cape Cod and the islands, as well as portions of eastern Massachusetts, right along the coast, essentially, because I think that there is a chance for some mixing. Now, that mixing is going to decrease the snowfall totals, but you could see 4 to 8 in this along the coast as well. Now, something else along the coast that I'm worried about is the winds. This is a coastal storm, and with these coastal storms, you will often see a very ferocious wind. What I'm expecting is around 50 to 65 mile an hour sustained winds across the Cape and the Islands, as well as portions of the eastern facing coastline of Massachusetts. Could see 50 to 65 sustained winds, although I'm going on the high end, but this will be a ferocious wind. And then portions of Cape Cod and the Islands, as well as eastern facing shorelines, could see 70 to 75 mile an hour wind gusts. That is some very, very ferocious winds. And then for most of eastern Massachusetts, 25 to 40 mile an hour sustained winds. Again, that's on the high end. And we could see some gusts of 50 to 60 mile an hour winds, so please expect a few power outages with that ferocious wind. And then once you get into northern Berkshire County, parts of Franklin and Hampden counties, only 15 to 20 mile an hour sustained winds with gusts 25 to 40 miles an hour. And the MHS 103 weather 5-day forecast for Wednesday, we have a high of 32 with mostly sunny skies. For Thursday, high of 33 with mostly sunny skies as well. And then Friday, that snow moves in around 12 p.m. And then for Saturday, it lasts up to about, it lasts until the evening hours of Saturday with a high of 33 for Saturday. It could linger into Sunday. A few flurries as you wake up Sunday morning. Can't rule that out. And thanks for joining us. Student meteorologist Sarah Simpson. Remember, you can always find the latest weather information. Go on our Facebook page, Sarah Simpson-MHS 103 Weather, and make sure you stay updated. I will have future updates on this snowstorm that will hit us over the weekend.